Hey there, rockstar entrepreneur. Are you tired of struggling to find ideal clients and convert them into your programs? Well, get ready to start the ultimate game that will revolutionize your client enrollment experience. Introducing the Crush Your Client Enrollment 5-day challenge. In just 5 days, you will learn insider secrets and strategies to identify, attract, and enroll your dream clients without breaking a sweat. Join us on this thrilling adventure as we dive deep into the world of client enrollment and find the hidden gems that will take your business to the next level. With daily action-packed lessons and hands-on activities, you will be equipped with tools and techniques to confidently find your prospects and convert them into paying clients. So, what are you waiting for? Take the leap and sign up for the Crush Your Client Enrollment 5-day challenge today. Don't miss this epic opportunity to transform your business and crush your client enrollment goals. Are you ready to dominate the entrepreneurial world? Let's do this. Use the URL right here in the video or click on the link below and sign up right now.